I'm at the point now where kind of got tired climbing in and out the saw shop. This is the new saw shop. The other one, it was just too small. It was half the size of this. This is about 14 by 24. To tell you the truth, 14 by 24 is really too small, but it's going to make do till I build a bigger one. What I'm doing today is the steps. We all these rocks back way back through there used to be a sawmill. I don't know, maybe a quarter of a mile back straight through there. Used to be a sawmill, and they still have the rocks from where the boiler set. That's what a lot of these rocks are. I filled this in with rocks, and with the boiler rocks, and all the way down. And then these rocks are just kind of like normal rocks for us around here. We call them iron ore. And I just kind of set those. We kind of set those in the concrete, and then I poured concrete, you know, like right here. I have them set there, and then I'm gonna just dump concrete on there and form them in. That's same thing as this right here. The next step, what I'm gonna do is that sawmill's back there. I don't know. Well, it's over 100 years ago now, for sure, way over 100 years ago. There's not much iron material left that you can find back there. I would have thought that there would have been a lot, but we've never really found. You find bits and pieces like that, and I have found some neater things than that, but that's about mostly what you're going to find. And the next step is going to have that material in there. And I got a bunch more pieces I found over the years. It's just going to be concrete just like this. And I'll put the little parts and pieces in there. And then, that made my mind up yet what this is going to be. But anyway, it'll be some nice steps, and they're not going nowhere. They're concrete. What I did, they're rocks in concrete. I formed it in so the concrete wouldn't leak out very much. I'll take all this off, all this wood, even this. There's not going to be a wood step on it. All the back blocking back there will come off. So termites can't come up and eat this building, because termites are bad around here. But I should be able to get done with it today. That was a lot of rocks to haul over here. I mean, I don't know how many loads I made with that tractor, but it was a bunch. I'd say 6 or 7 or more. And also some of the rocks I've got going down there to those other buildings too. But they're not all here.